Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put videos inside text in Canva. So here you can start by going to elements and find the frame, letter frame under the elements in here. So click on search elements and type in letter frame. Click on enter. And after that you'll find the results. Okay, so under the frames here you can just click on see all and then just add the frame based on what you want to write. So for example, I'm going to just write now. For example, click on N, then click on O and find the W. So you can just scroll down to find the letter that you want. Okay, this one. After that, you can adjust the size and also the position to your liking. So here after you add the letters, you can just find the video. So let's go to the videos in here. Click on videos and I'm going to find, for example, the gradient video to add like gradient effects to the letter. So I'm going to add this blue gradient in here. Click on the video and just drag it into the letter one by one. Drag it like this. You can do the same thing for the rest of the letters. So after this it is done. So when I play the result, so the letter will now look like this. Wait a second. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on